How to create an account in SoundCloud. So let's get started. So if you also want to create an account in SoundCloud, here's what you need to do. So first thing first, just open up your SoundCloud application, and here you'll get two options, either to log in or create an account. So just tap on create an account, and then you should be redirected to this page where you can actually create an account with your Facebook account as well as Google account or Apple account. So for this, I'll simply select my email account and simply enter it, and just like that, click on continue. And here you need to choose a password, basically create a password. You can also choose the same password which you use for this particular registered email address. And once you enter, just select continue and enter all of these mentioned things such as display name, age and gender. And then just select continue once again, and it will verify your device. So wait for some time, and just like that, you should be successfully signed into your SoundCloud account. So that's it for today, guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.